Oh, here we go. Look at. Hey guys, I'm panning away again. Yeah, I'm red. I'm beat red. So yeah. So we worked on the ramp again today. It's freaking hot today. So yeah, this is about feet. My feet hurt and I'm sore. This is where we're at. Got most of the decking on. We just have that part there to do up there. That landing we got to do, and then up one or two pieces down here at the end, and then we got to build the ramp that goes up to the threshold of the door. So here we go. Get a good shot of this. You can see how construction's going. It's nice to see it. Now we can see how it's going to be. She's gonna have a nice little sitting area out here. Little area to sit. Gonna have railings on both sides. I'll probably do a little bit of landscaping in the center there. I'm definitely gonna build a little landscaping box out here around the side here, going around here, and plant some flowers. Oh, I gotta water my tomato plants. Oh. But yeah, there we go. I got some lumber in the truck yet. I got pieces everywhere here. But yeah, I'm done for today. Here we go. So yeah, we're gonna come all out of the car and come up the ramp here. Come up here, and then the landing here. She can stop and catch her breath. And then if she's walking, she can stop and catch her breath. And then coming up here, up to here, and then there's going to be the landing right here. There'll be steps on that side, and then we have to build the landing here yet. So that's where we're at. Down again. Now Mom called me today, and they told me that they asked her if they wanted to move her upstairs to the rehab to get some more recovery time, and she asked me about it, and I'm like, well, if your insurance pays for it, sure. You know, get walking a little better, because she's very upset that she's going to need a wheelchair. This is really going to help her though, even if she can walk. If they get her walking better, this is really going to help her, because she really struggles with stairs. So yeah, but yeah, I told her, I says, if they want to keep you a couple extra days, then it's up to you. But she asked for my advice, and I don't know. I said, well, if they think you should stay a couple extra days, then you do that. But they're going to move her out of the rehab and then to another floor. The rehab center has 2 floors. I think they're going to move her there. Tomorrow I have to go to the oncologist appointment with her. She's going to get taken to the hospital with a shuttle, and I gotta meet her there at 2:30. So I'll be working on this tomorrow from like 8 a.m. till 2 o'clock. And then I guess Roger will go home from there, because it's going to be a 2-hour appointment. So yeah, that's where we're at. Just wanted to give everybody an update on that. I got a lot of mess to clean up. I still got to go get some compost to finish planting my tomatoes. Oh, let's go look. I got to finish my fence before everything gets too far along. I transplanted all the flowers over here. A couple of them died. I'll get her more. Okay, cleaning up. I got this bed mostly de-weeded and ready for some more compost to go in. That bed I got half weeded and ready for some compost to go in. We got 2 beds planted here. These are San Marzano. So I have a bunch more, but this is what I planted. This is 16. There's 10 here in the bed. There's 6 down here in cages there. Those are the San Marzanos. These are the pink Berkeley tie-dye. I have 16 of these, 10 in the bed, 6 on the garden. I got my potatoes growing in buckets right here. I have to add some compost to these guys. Look at that one getting leggy. Got some there in the old recycling bin, some there in one of those. That's a box that my mom's diabetes medicine comes in. Yeah, so there, I got a plant. There's the potatoes growing in the ground over here. And then in this rows here, I got snow peas growing over there, and I got red beets in there, and I gotta run the little tiller and weed. I gotta get this ramp done first. So yeah, I gotta water tonight. I got free tomato plants. Anybody in the area wants some, you're welcome to come get them. I can't ship them, sorry. Look, hollyhocks coming up. Hollyhocks are coming up. They make a bit of a mess. I got to put the gutter back. Yeah, I gotta finish the fence. I got the postal auger now, so I can put some posts in here. I want to put a fence here and get the tractor in the garden. So that's where we're at. We're gonna put an edge board around the edge of the deck here, like a trim board around the edge. But yeah, it's really solid. Should be really good. So there, that's my update, and hope everybody has a good day, and keep praying for Mom, and yeah, everybody have a good one. God bless. Take care.